sitting. My daughter's little dog, Baxter. Come on, don't be rude. Come and say hello. Don't be shy. He is so cute. And so, yes, I just thought I'd say hello from Baxter because he's just two adorables. Aren't you? You're a lovely boy. Before I get started with today's What's in My Basket, I thought we'd have a little hello from him instead of Charlie. Yeah, Charlie's not happy with Mummy, is he? He doesn't mind though. Right, let's get on with today's video then. Oh, excuse me. Oh, also I forgot to say Happy Easter to you all. I think I did yesterday. But Happy Easter from me and from Baxter, and I'll get on with the rest of the video. Good morning, everyone. So today we have quite a lot of charms and buttons and things in our basket. In my basket, I should say. Don't forget to click on the link below if you want to order any of them. And the first ones are these vintage buttons. They're 20 pieces for £1.18. And they are very lovely. Look at those. And then the next thing we have are these random mix vintage silver charms, and they are 80 pieces for £3.91. And look at these gorgeous vintage wooden stamps. They are 30 pieces for £2.12, and there are two different styles that you can choose from. Then we have these antique bronze leaf charms, 10 pieces for 81p. Very lovely. I do like the antique bronze. It's probably my favourite actually. And then we have some vintage flower, we're not quite there yet, vintage flower wooden buttons coming up. Very colourful, very gorgeous. They are 20mm and they are 120 pieces for £4.94. And then we have these 67 pieces of vintage silver plated keys, and they are £3.35 and they're silver plated. Excuse me. Then we have these 20 pieces charms, vintage bronze, silver, gold or copper mix, £1.52, and you can choose from either colour, or I think there's an option to have some of each, if I'm not mistaken. Then they have these 30-gram antique bronze cabochon bases. I've probably said that awfully wrong. £1.57. Cabochon bases. Obviously, you can put your own embellishments and stones, charms, etc. Charms, stones, embellishments on them. Then the next thing, we have 100 grams of dragonflies, and they are £3.61. Or this 10-piece butterflies for £2.04. And you can have antique bronze, or you can have silver in that. Now, this next thing coming up, look at these huge big butterflies, by the way. Aren't they gorgeous? Just stunning. Then we have these wooden keys, 25 pieces for 78p. Just thought that these are really different. Something different. I love keys, but usually metal ones I put on there. So yeah, lovely. Oh, whoops, how did that fall into my basket? Sorry, this is a hair thing for my holiday. This is £2.48 if anyone's interested, but I thought they're really super cute. Great, because it's going to be very hot out there, and it'd be lovely to have my hair put back up or have it down. And I saw them, so yeah, I do also buy other things from Aliexpress, so I thought I'd leave it in there. And we have these angel wings, 15 pieces for £2.04. Aren't they gorgeous? I had a pair of earrings actually very similar to that great big one in the middle. Actually, they were the same. But I love, love, love the different colours and the different wings. Look at that lovely patinaed look. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, anyone who thinks elephants are lucky, we have these elephant charms, 10 pieces for £1.74. There are quite a lot of choice. I think it's just a random mix that you do get. Look at that big one in the middle. Elephants are supposed to be very lucky, aren't they? So it would be great, excuse me, to hang from your journals. And then I got something for the kids. There's these letter beads, 200 pieces for £1.39. And there are 27 colours to choose from. I did not put all the 27 colours on here for you to see. I just put an assortment. Aren't they lovely? Kids will have lots of fun there. Then we have this random mix of charms, 100 grams for £4.12. And there's quite a lot of different choices. There's birds, there's angels, dogs, cats, horses, leaves, flowers, butterflies. There are quite a lot of different ones to choose from. So you've got quite a lot of choice there. Now this is a separate seller. These are hearts, 100 gram of heart charms for £3.61. Hearts are always very popular as well, aren't they? And then I have some spacer beads because I like to make my dangles, and they're 50 pieces for £2.31. Like the little flowers there. And we have some more wooden buttons, wooden flower buttons. These are in two different sizes, 20mm or 25mm, £1.53 or £1.74. Bit different than the others. They're still sort of vintagey looking. Love the outside edge there. I think they're beautiful. And then we have these charm pendant, heart charm pendants, or not just hearts, they're ovals as well. 8 pieces for £2.01. And these make super dangles already made, really, aren't they? You don't need to do much more with them. Really, they're lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 8 pieces. Oh, look at these cat key rings. I got these for Happy Mail. They are 4 pieces for £1.92. Just love them. So I thought these would be super cute for Happy Mail. Look how adorable. I am keeping one because they're just super cute. And then we have these antique dangles. Love these. Love, love, love these. Super cute just by themselves. 6 pieces for £3.80. Just lovely. Then we have these 50 grams of small keys, so you would get a lot of keys. They are £1.55. And then we have these tin of vintage stickers, 50-piece set, £4.52. So thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe.